In this video, we'll show you how to manage your orders on Store.link. But before we get started, let's check a few things under Order Settings. We'll enable email notifications for new orders. We'll also turn on the option to save new orders inside Google Sheets. And finally, we'll enable order tracking. Now let's place a random order on our store. We'll pick this t-shirt and add it to the cart. Then we'll check out and place the order. Let's provide the customer details. Select a payment method and click Checkout. The order has been placed, and here's the thank you confirmation page. Both the store owner and the customer will receive an email about this order. There are two ways to manage your orders. The first method is through the dashboard. Click on Orders. Here, you'll see a list of orders and their current status. Let's view an order. Here you can see the order summary, details, and timeline of events. When the item is ready to ship, click on Ship Order. You can also add a custom note, like a shipping tracking number, for example. Now let's say you need to notify the customer about a delay. To do this, you can add a custom message in the timeline. Give it a title and add your message. You can even save this message as a template for future use by clicking here, then selecting Save Current Message and giving it a title for your reference. The customer will receive an email for all these changes and can also see the order timeline on the order status page. If you have to cancel an order, you can update the status by clicking the More Options icon, Change Status, and Canceled. And also share a custom note if needed. Now, if you prefer not to manage orders through the dashboard, you can use the order sheet. To do this, go back to the dashboard, click on Settings, then Orders. Toggle the button to collect your orders in Google Sheets. If it's turned off, Store.link won't store the order details in Google Sheets. Now click on Open Order Sheet. Here, you'll see all your order details, including customer and product information. Each row contains details of a single order. You can also manage orders in your own way here. For example, you can add custom columns like Status and mark the orders as pending or shipped. You can also add a tracking ID column and include the URL there. These changes are only visible to you as the store owner. This information is not shared with customers. One advantage of using the order sheet is that you can share it with any team member. Lastly, a quick tip. If you go back to the dashboard and click on Design, then Order Summary, you can edit the order confirmation page. This is useful if your store is different from a common online store. For example, if you're selling services, you can maybe change the title as Your Service Request has been placed, and the description as We will contact you to proceed with further steps. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center